Daily English-Tagalog sentences using must. I must go. Kailangan ko nang umalis. He must buy it. Kailangan niyang bilhin iyon. He must be tired. Pagod na yata siya. I must leave now. Kailangan ko nang umalis. She must be sick. May sakit yata siya. We must keep calm. Dapat tayong huminahon. He must be homesick. Namimiss niya siguro sa bahay. He must be innocent. Dapat inosente siya. We must pay the bills. Dapat nating bayaran ang mga bayarin. We must leave early. Kailangan nating umalis ng maaga. He must be kidding. Nagbibiro ka yata. He must go right away. Kailangan mong pumunta kaagad. Well, I must be going. Dapat na akong umalis. You must do your best. Gawin mo ang iyong makakaya. Either Lynn or I must go. Alinman sa amin ni Lynn ang dapat pumunta. Ken must be home by now. Dapat nasa bahay na si Ken ngayon. I must have it shortened. Kailangan kong paikliin ito. I must help her at any cost. Kailangan ko siyang tulungan kahit sa anong paraan. He must be back before 10. Dapat nandito ka na bago mag-alas 10. You must be very hungry now. Gutom na gutom ka na siguro. You must tear down this house. Dapat mo nang gibain ang bahay na ito. You must keep your room tidy. Dapat pinapanatili mong malinis ang iyong kwarto. You really must stop smoking. Dapat talaga tigilan mo na ang paninigarilyo. It is clear what must be done. Malinaw kung ano ang dapat na mangyari. You must pay attention to the teacher. Dapat makinig ka sa guro. She must have done it yesterday. Dapat ginawa niya yun kahapon. He must pay attention to his advice. Dapat makinig ka sa kanyang payo. You must keep in mind that I'm younger than you. Dapat mong tandaan na mas bata ako sa iyo. You must be careful when driving a car. Dapat kang mag-ingat sa pagmamaneho ng kotse.